Hi, this is Crancer, and today we're going to be talking about the Surface and Windows Virtual Desktop Infrastructure Playbook. So we designed this playbook for account executives and sellers to basically be able to have an offer ready to take to a customer to hedge their bets, to provide an opportunity to sell Microsoft Surface devices, which are probably best in class and designed for any type of worker anywhere. So whether it's a corporate user and or a frontline worker user, student, government, they are a fantastic lineup. However, in lifecycle management, right, and based on today's pandemic, right, a lot of organizations are thinking to themselves, wait a minute, maybe we're not going to have, let's say, 100,000 people coming back to the offices. Maybe we're only going to have 60,000 that really need a fully functional corporate device. But our other 40,000 employees are frontline workers or manufacturers, and maybe we want to give them an opportunity to access all of their programs and networks with a bring their own device and or maybe a kiosk. So we put together this playbook to be able to have you or give you the ability to walk into a conversation about, and when you're talking to a customer about refreshing their devices, to talk about Surface first, and then say, but by the way, did you know about Windows Virtual Desktop? So inside of this playbook, we have a table of contents, and we basically talk about what is Microsoft Surface and Windows Virtual Desktop. So you can kind of look at the contents in there. Next, we talk about the Microsoft Partner Opportunity, and this is where I explain to you what that opportunity is, just like I was kind of mentioning earlier. Then we talk about the Microsoft Surface lineup in the third section, so you can actually go through there and look at the different devices. Then we kind of go into Windows Virtual Desktop and the mechanics behind that, the reasons why you can actually, the reasons why it's a great benefit. Then we get into an offer. So inside of this playbook, there's an actual offer that's been put in place for you to be able to take to a customer and kind of start with that conversation. Next, we go into the mechanics of the offer. So I talk about licensing and Surface devices. We talk about cloud managed services, which is the most important piece of any type of sale. You want to sell a managed service product because that increases your GP. Then we talk about professional services, which are a one-time type of charge that you have for delivering or implementing or integrating Windows Virtual Desktop in their environments. We then have two different customer scenarios, customer scenario number 1 and customer scenario number 2. And in both of those scenarios, we tell you what it is, what their environment is, but also how you would sell into it. What would you talk to them about? We also include email marketing scripts, an elevator value proposition, LinkedIn marketing scripts, and discovery questions for you to have. This is all encompassing. This can help you deliver an opportunity or deliver to an opportunity that has wants to refresh their devices and or talk about Windows desktop infrastructure. Hope this helps. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.